Hi guys, today I will talk about a famous person. She's a woman, entered the history from wider doors. She is an architectural engineer. Her name is Zaha Hadid. Zaha was born in Baghdad, Iraq, in October 31, 1950, from a wealthy family. Her father, Muhammad Hadid, was one of the leaders of the Iraq National Democratic Party and former Treasury Minister in 1958 to 1960. She completed her high education in Baghdad. Then she moved to her college education at the American University in Beirut and finished math bachelor. She joined to the Architectural Society in London and she have got her work permit in 1977. She's a creative designer. Her innovative designs was abstract and streamlined. She managed to prove herself as one of the most important architects in the world. Also, she worked as a teacher. The Architectural Society in London in 2003, she finished from the design of the contemporary arts in United States. In 2010, she received a Sterling Prize for her design to the National Art Museum building in Rome. She became the first woman to receive Pritzker Prize in the field of architectural. In 2012, she received the British Medal of Honor by the Ring of Master Commander, and here are some of her works: Hyder Aliq in Baku, Ice Skating Ring in Innsbruck, Austria, and the biggest airport in the world in China coming soon. Zaha Hadid died in Miami at the age of 66, affected by a heart attack.